don't know how much longer you're gonna be here. So I say my prayers every night. One for my mother and one for my father, and one for the love of my life. So if you decide to leave today and leave tomorrow at the door, and take only half of yesterday and forget all hopes for the present, 'cause it just went away. We were 5 steps from eternity. We were 4 steps past love and 3 wishes. We had 3 wishes from touching the heavens above. And we were from eternity. Hey. 4 steps past love and 3 wishes. Said you going from touching the heavens above. So another day is gone, another night has gone. Waiting patiently, hope that you'll return, but not before long. Why you say goodbye? I still feel your presence in my bed at night, and warns me out as it was a true love before. And now and the pain, and for every wound is born, forced to wear the memories of pain around an empty heart. I sit in silence and begin to think as laughter echoes through the air. I can get you off my mind, but a whole new love I can never bear. Oh, so now I lay me down to sleep, and I pray, my Lord, my soul to keep. And if I die before I wake, then I promise I'll be there for you always. We were 5 steps from eternity. 4 steps past love and 3 wishes. And the 3 wishes, you know it, from touching the heavens above. Ooh, 5 steps from eternity. Hey, 4 steps past love and 3 wishes. Said you don't know it, said you know it, from touching the heavens above. 5 steps from eternity. 4 steps. 4 steps past love and 3 wishes. I said 3 wishes, 3 wishes, from touching the heavens above. 5 steps And 4 steps past love and 3 wishes. We were 3 wishes. Oh, from touching